What's going on, YouTube? So today I am doing a little product review of this Milwaukee Fastback folding utility knife. My knife that I had before this, it just like fell out of my pocket when I was at work, I guess, and so I had to go get a new one. And this is the one I got. So Milwaukee's products are always like really good. Right here on the back, it's got a little tab that you can pull up. Get that guy out of there. Alright. It comes with a blade already in it. It's got a little clip on this side so that you could clip it onto like your tool belt or whatever you want to clip it onto. This button, you click it, pops right out. Bam. But yeah, this thing's got a good feel. Your hand fits right in the knife perfectly. And it's really lightweight, so you don't have to worry about it heavying you down. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff I got at Home Depot. I'm also making a review today on these Milwaukee forged blades for cutting sheet metal. So you guys should definitely check out the review I made for this. And I'm also doing a product review on the Milwaukee tape measure. So definitely check out my channel if you want to see some reviews on different tools and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you guys this. I hope this was useful. If you're thinking about like ordering one of these, this is what it looks like, and it gets a thumbs up from me. So yeah, definitely like this video and check out the rest of my channel. Appreciate it. Later.